Today I would like to share you how to get Apple Watch Ultra 2 watch face on your older Apple Watch. This is my Apple Watch SE. You can see when I wake up the screen, I get a new Apple Watch Ultra 2 watch face. It has a night animation. It is exactly the same. If you own the older Apple Watch, it may exclusive only the Apple Watch Ultra 2, but in this video I can get it. It is pretty simple and easy. So now you need to bring the phone that you connect into your Apple Watch. So in my case, I have the iPhone 11, which is connected to my Apple Watch SE, and then all I have to do is just go into the App Store and I'm gonna search for Clockology. It is available for free on the App Store. You should go ahead and download it. This one you can take a look on the logo itself, and after download just go ahead and open it and make sure it is installed on your Apple Watch as well. So if you take a look on my Apple Watch here, it already installed. So right here, for some reason if it does not install on your Apple Watch, you need to go into Watch app, and then you're gonna scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the app that might not install. So if you see a Clockology down here, just click on the install button, but because for me it already installed, it's going to appear on my Apple Watch. And after that I'm gonna go back into Clockology on my iPhone, and then in order to get the Apple Watch Ultra watch face, so sometimes if it does not appear here, you need to click on Telegram on the top, the Telegram channel. Just go ahead and click on it. It will bring you into a Telegram channel, and then you're gonna click here, click search, and you're gonna search for Modular Ultra space and Thai Ultra, and then click on the search button, and you can see it is right here. Down here you're gonna find two watch faces, so I'm gonna click on the first one, and then I'm gonna click on the share button, and now you need to swipe all the way to the left, click on Clockology, and then it will bring up here. So on your Apple Watch, now on my Apple Watch I need to open Clockology too, and then I'm gonna click on sync. It will send this new watch face into my Apple Watch, SE. So just wait like a few seconds. Now it is finally here. It has been exported from my iPhone into my Apple Watch SE, and that's it. That's how you get a new Apple Watch Ultra 2 watch face on your older Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.